Hi, this is Jon Modene with RE/MAX Masters Property Management, and I want to help you learn more about successful investment property strategies here in Northwest Ohio. And today's topic for my update is how you can charge a tenant for damages before they move out. If you've ever had a tenant move out and leave behind damage you weren't sure how to charge for it, how to do it, this video is for you. As a landlord, this is a very important skill. Keep in mind that charging for damages is not about being strict, not about being mean, not about being tough. It's about protecting your property, staying on the right side of the law, and keeping your asset value protected. I once worked with a landlord who had a tenant who left a lot of problems behind, and there were stains on the carpet, broken cabinet doors, deep holes in the walls, just to name a few. The landlord did not document anything. Instead, they kept the whole deposit without taking the correct steps, and a few weeks later, they got a nasty gram from the tenant's attorney, and they ended up losing the case in local small claims court. And I learned a lesson. Planning and documentation are vital. That loss would have been avoided if they had followed the proper process with the right steps. You can fairly charge for damages, protect yourself, and avoid conflict. So let me share 4 simple steps to charge a tenant for damages before they move out. Number 1, start with a move-in inspection. You can only charge a tenant for damage if you can prove the damage was not there at the start of the lease. So you have to always complete a move-in inspection with photos and notes and have the tenant sign or you prove you notified them of the form. We do this automatically in all our move-ins, and this creates a clear record that protects you later. Number 2, do a pre-move-out walkthrough. If you know a tenant's leaving 2 or 3 weeks before they move out, schedule a walkthrough with the tenant. Let them know what you will be checking. Many tenants will choose to repair small issues once they know that you actually plan to go there and charge. So this simple step can save you time and money. Number 3, document all damages clearly. After the tenant moves out, complete a full inspection. Take dated or timestamp photos and compare the results to the move-in report which you made. Make sure you understand the difference between normal wear and tear and actual damage. For example, normal wear and tear on a carpet is acceptable. You can't take it out of their deposit, but a large stain or damage can be considered chargeable. Number 4, send a written itemized list to the tenant's new address. Every state has rules about how long you have to return the deposit or send a list of deductions. In Ohio, we have 30 days from move out to provide the former tenant with an itemized list of damages and the subsequent reductions in the amount of security deposit that you want to retain. Your list should show each damaged item, the cost to repair, and include receipts or estimates. And by the way, this is not the time for you to just throw numbers out there. You have to give real numbers. And if you end up going to court with a tenant that moved out and you made up numbers, you're going to lose. If you miss this deadline, you're going to lose. And you will be forced to return the full deposit, even if the tenant has caused a lot of real damage. So charging a tenant for damages does not have to be stressful. You just need a clear process that's repeatable. Get help setting up better systems for your inspections, your documentation, your security deposit rules. Feel free to reach out for me. This is what my team and I do all the time, and we'll offer you a free consultation to help protect your rental properties and stay compliant. If you'd like to learn more about how our property management services can make owning rentals easier, feel free to call me, text, or send me an email. I'll walk you through your options and answer any questions you have. Hey, the real estate market is constantly changing. It never stops. We do things today in property management for investors that were impossible 20 or 30 years ago. So my team is always changing too, and we're ready to help you and your family get the right help for your real estate problems. Our team motto is simple: a tradition of trust in Northwest Ohio real estate. This tradition of trust ethos works. It's based on proven biblical concepts like always tell the truth, especially when a tenant's moving out, and treat others better than you would want to be treated. Same thing with tenants. And I can't wait to help more people buy, sell, manage, and grow their real estate holdings. So thanks for watching. If you need help, if you have real estate questions, if you want to sell or buy, just call me. I'm at 419-466-7653. Check us out at besthomesintoledo.com, modene.com, and mlstoledo.com. Thanks for watching.